All right, boys and girls, we're ready for our third Go Math lesson. And if I click here, we're going to work with numbers 3 and 4.
How can you show and count 3 and 4 with objects?
Howdy! Cher is eating her breakfast. Yum! She loves to eat dandelions. But she's only hungry enough to eat 4 dandelions. Click on the clump of dandelions to see them better. That's better. How many is 4? I'd like to know. Let's learn how to show and count 3 and 4 with objects.
Ava sees 3 toys. How can you use counters to show each of the toys Ava sees? You can use counters to show the toys. Click to place 1 counter on each of the toys. 1, 2, 3. You used 3 counters to show 3 toys. Now you can move the counters into a 5 frame. Click the first counter to move it. 1, 2, 3. You showed 3 counters in the 5 frame. The 3 counters in the 5 frame stand for the 3 toys. How many counters do you use to show 4 toys? Click to place 1 counter on each of the toys. 1, 2, 3, 4. You used 4 counters to show 4 toys. Now you can move the counters into the 5 frame. Click the first counter. 1, 2, 3, 4. You show 4 counters in the 5 frame. The 4 counters in the 5 frame represent the 4 toys. You used 3 counters to show 3 toys and 4 counters to show 4 toys. How many counters do you have? Move the counters to the 5 frame and count them. 1, 2, 3. You have 3 counters. When you count to 3, 3 is the last number you say. 1, 2, 3. Now there are yellow counters to count. How many do you have? Move these counters to the 5 frame and count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have 4 counters. When you count to 4, you say 1, 2, 3, and then 4 is the last number you say. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is 1 more than 3. You have 1 more yellow counter than red counters. Now let's practice with the personal math trainer.
And the personal math trainer is what you will work on during your independent work time. So right now, I'd like you to find your distance learning pack and find page 27. On page 27, you'll see the numbers 3 and 4. And once you find this page, I'd like you to stop this video and come back to our meeting so we can work on this together.